take new blank presentation. This is blank presentation. Okay. See, here I will insert one picture, stock images. So I take this one. So this is there. I will make larger so I can see the full screen. I will increase the size like this. Then see, now I am going to make one gradient here, this area like this. Okay. Now I right click, then I go to format shape. Okay. Then I go to fill, then I go to gradient. See, gradient presets are there. So I choose maybe this gradient. Okay. Then I can add spots here, maybe here dark blue like this. Okay. Then direction I choose like this. Now see, if I want to have some kind of transparency anywhere, if I add the transparency, I can see the background. So for example, this area, see this one last. Okay. Here, if I add the transparency, how it changes, you see like this. But now this is okay. No, not here. Better I will change the transparency to this one. So it will like blend. It will blend in the background. This is the point. Okay. I am increasing the transparency. You see, it blended nicely. Very nice look came. Okay. So like this, you can create some kind of designs. But the problem is here, there is one
there is
line. So that line you can remove from here. No outline.
Okay.
Now it has gone. Okay.
Now
So
it is blended beautifully.
Yeah. So like this, you can have some kind of colorful gradient. That colors also you can choose from the background. For example, I'll tell you one more thing. Maybe here you can write something like text, like in your designs related to this photo, you can write some kind of text. But if you use the colors from the photo, it looks better. Now I will insert new. Okay, see, okay, this one, let it be like this. Now I go to insert, then I go to picture, then I go to stock images, then, okay, let's choose this one, insert. Maybe consider this like a business presentation. Okay, now I have photo here. Okay, but this one I'll bring it front. Okay, I go to arrange, then I go to bring front. Okay, now see, this one, again I go here. This is for the fill. Okay, the colors I want to choose from this background. So for that, what I have to do, I click here, then I click here, then I choose eyedropper, then I choose this blue. See, this is blue from here. Okay, nice. Then here I choose some other color from the same background, maybe this one. Okay, then this one I choose some other background from here, maybe. Okay, this is not good, but I can reduce the transparency. See, like this. Now we got nice blended color. Okay, so it is blending in this. And the problem is this photo is up to here only. So if I increase the width like this, then I can see the blending properly. So it is blending now. Now I can type some kind of text here. For example, I type here, I go to this text box. Actually, this one, to place some kind of text, then we can see the text properly. If I don't put this one, simply picture, it will not give nice design. So for having some kind of text backgrounds, we can have gradients like that. And that gradient color, we have to choose from the photo, what we are using. Now I take one text box. Okay, so here, text box, then I draw text box. Okay, okay, see, here I just type your business project name here. This picture related to business. So whatever business you want to do, so like, anything you can type here. As a sample, I just mentioned here. So see what I'm doing now. I want to keep the text in vertical direction. So I hold shift. I don't need to hold shift, but if I hold shift, it will be perfectly 90 degrees like this. Okay. See here, I have this alignment, center alignment. Can you see? This is center alignment.
Yes, sir.
I will place this one. I will place the edge. I will touch the string edges to the slide edge. So it will be center to the presentation. Okay. Now it is nice. If I want to increase the size, I can increase like this. Then the color better to keep white.